What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be working on a BMW 3 Series that I worked on and coated roughly about almost a year ago. I'm not sure how's the condition of the car, and I'm not sure how did the coating perform, but we'll find out together. And of course I'll show you everything in the cinematic video. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Yo guys, so I have completed the BMW. I mean, for the age, it's not too bad. I mean, it's not that the greatest, but it's not too bad. In terms of the watermark issues on the paint that caused the bonnet to be flat, I mean, as you can see in the cinematic video, actually revived the water beading, the effect after doing the decontamination. So you can see in the video that the water beading has been revived. And then in terms of some panels having zero water beading is actually because the bonnet, the door and the rear quarter panel has been repainted, so my customer didn't request me to recoat the surface, so I just layered a generous extra layer of wax on top of the paint, so hoping that will keep the paint nice and clean. And I guess that's about it. So remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for post notifications, and comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video.